ASUS Prime B860 Plus Wi-Fi motherboard supports the latest Intel Core Ultra CPU and DDR5 memory, delivering stable performance thanks to its robust power design with high-quality DRMOS stages and enlarged heatsinks. It comes with a dual M2 slots, one supporting PCIe 5.0 and the other PCIe 4.0 plus 4 SAT 6GB ports, giving it plenty of flexibility for fast NVMe drives and additional storage. Networking is handled with the built-in Wi-Fi 6E for next-generation wireless speed, a 2.5GB Ethernet port for reliable wire connection, and full complement of USB ports including high-speed USB-C and 20GB. Cooling is efficient with multiple heatsinks and hybrid fan headers that integrates with ASUS fan control tools to keep temperature under control even under heavy workloads. The pre-mounted I/O shield simplifies installation with OverSync RGB allows for synchronized lighting with other compatible components. In practice, builders with its dependable mid-range board capable of handling high-end CPUs without bottlenecks, making it a strong choice for users seeking a balance of modern features, connectivity, and ease of use in performance-oriented Intel system.